The way I see it, through glassy screens I watch it unfold. A world ablaze in stories told. The voices rise but never heard, just flashing images, distant unclear. The anchors speak with practiced grace of places far in shadowed space. The numbers climb, the charts declare, but none of them are really there. I see the pain, the fleeting smiles, but it's all distant, measured miles. The words are hollow, the faces are blur. As headlines flash, I can't confer. However, through the eyes of a refugee, daily she witnesses a storm of shadows, wild and fierce, where silence breaks and echoes pierce. The earth once calm begins to shake, as hearts grow cold for chaos' sake. The skies are torn, a fractured hue, and lives are spent in shades of blue. In fractured lands where dreams decay, the price of peace is far away. 1,000 voices lost in screams, chasing, fleeting, broken dreams. The air is thick with grief and fear, yet hope is born. She tries to run, she tries to hide, but she cannot seem to escape. She knows her country is worsening, day by day. She knows her country is a mess. She repeats to herself every day, it will never be the same again. Her heart's in pieces, just like her house. She weeps every day, grieving the loss of her family. Rubble, ashes, no floor to be seen. Hospitals are tense, people in the tents are on the verge of death. As she runs by, she sees kids crying, screaming, begging on their knees for their families to still be alive. The sky is grey and foggy. Every 5 seconds, boom, goes a bomb. She runs and runs until she collapses. Her feet begin to throb. As she checked, there were cuts all over them. She stood up abruptly and ran to a place where she thought might be safe, and saw black. And when she woke up, she was in a place so peaceful with her kids, her husband, and the rest of her family.